This is GYEON Pure. It's a very thick, resistant, one-layer ceramic coating. Let's put it on some paint. We can start by prepping the surface. GYEON Prep is the product to go for this procedure. The application of GYEON Pure is a little bit different. Let me guide you through the process. First of all, take a liberate amount of product and put it on top of your sweat applicator. Cover your section in straight lines with the product. Let it sit for about 10 seconds and take your sweat applicator block and move over it in a circular motion to level the product. Then take a bald GYEON microfiber towel, give it a straight motion wipe down, take a second one to remove any leftover residue. After you have finished your GYEON Pure application, it's really important to keep your car for a minimum of 12 hours inside the garage in stable conditions. After that, give it a final wipe down with GYEON Pure and you're ready to go. Some important advice when using GYEON Pure. People tend to use way too little microfiber towels. Because of the thickness of this product, it's really important to use a lot of them. Make sure you have multiple bald wipes for your first wipe down and a polish wipe for the second one. I can advise you to do a third wipe down with our GYEON sweat cloth. It can save you a lot of time in the end, not having to redo a coated panel. Good luck.